stripe.
Oh, it's gotta be.
Yeah.
It's a striper. Let me grab a net.
All right.
Big one too,
Yeah.
ain't it?
Pretty good one. Don't stand down. Come on, fish.
Ah, planer board. Shoot, that's a nice one. Ooh,
Yeah.
carp.
There you go. That's good. That's nothing for you to go home with. Good. Good fish too.
Damn nice.
Now see there how he took that one? He swallowed that one. But this is how we broke that other one. We fought around here, had him in the net.
Boy, that's a nice fish right there.
He swallowed that one.
Did he?
Yeah.
Well, we can fix that.
Remember that when you go to cleaning,
Yeah.
you got a hook in. Next one will be yours.
There you go. All right, hold what you got.